Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination is observed on which date? A. 21st March, B. 22nd April, C. 10th December, D. 17th May. The correct answer is option A. 21st March. The International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination is observed annually on 21st March, commemorating the 1960 Sharpeville massacre in South Africa. Next question is, the Revolt of 1857 was the first mutiny in which part of India? A. Delhi, B. Kanpur, C. Meerut, D. Jhansi. The correct answer is option C. Meerut. The Revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Independence, began in Meerut on 10th May 1857, when Indian sepoys rebelled against the British East India Company. Next question is, what is the capital of Brazil? A. Buenos Aires, B. Lima, C. Brasilia, D. Rio de Janeiro. The correct answer is option C. Brasilia. Brasilia, officially inaugurated in 1960, was designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer and urban planner Lucio Costa. Next question is, who holds the record for the most goals scored in the history of the FIFA World Cup? A. Ronaldo, B. Miroslav Klose, C. Lionel Messi, D. Thierry Henry. The correct answer is option B. Miroslav Klose. Miroslav Klose holds the record for scoring the most goals in FIFA World Cup history with 16 goals, surpassing Ronaldo's record in 2014. Next question is, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment procedure? A. Article 368, B. Article 32, C. Article 14, D. Article 17. The correct answer is option A. Article 368. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution lays down the procedure for amending the Constitution, allowing changes to be made in the document as required. Next question is, which country produces the highest amount of solar energy? A. Germany, B. China, C. United States, D. India. The correct answer is option B. China. China is the world's leading producer of solar energy, followed by other countries like the US and Germany. Next question is, the phenomenon of light bending around corners is called A. Diffraction, B. Reflection, C. Refraction, D. Dispersion. The correct answer is option A. Diffraction. Diffraction occurs when light bends around obstacles or openings, creating patterns of constructive and destructive interference. Next question is, the headquarters of the United Nations is located in which city? A. Vienna, B. Geneva, C. Paris, D. New York. The correct answer is option D. New York. The United Nations headquarters is located in New York City, USA, where the General Assembly and Security Council meet. Next question is, the INS Vikramaditya is an aircraft carrier of which country? A. India, B. United States, C. United Kingdom, D. Russia. The correct answer is option A. India. INS Vikramaditya is a modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier commissioned into the Indian Navy in 2013. Last question is, the Green Revolution in India started in which decade? A. 1950s, B. 1960s, C. 1970s, D. 1980s. The correct answer is option B. 1960s. The Green Revolution in India, initiated in the 1960s, introduced high-yielding variety seeds, fertilizers, and modern irrigation techniques, significantly boosting agricultural production. Now it's time for practice question. Who was the founder of the Brahm Samaj? A. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Dayanand Saraswati. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.